What's up, guys? This week at KingHacks 2026, my team and I built Certify, a privacy-first human presence trust system designed to detect suspicious or synthetic webcam sessions in real time. This is also what you're seeing this presentation on. Before I get into what Certify is, I wanted to touch on the problem and the solution. Under the IBM track, we were challenged to create a scalable, enterprise-ready AI solution that solves a real business problem while embedding responsible AI practices. While we were researching, we found an article of a deepfake financial officer demanding money from a finance worker, causing the company to lose millions of dollars. We thought to ourselves, how can we protect businesses from the biggest and most prominent problems in today's world? AI. As AI gets more and more advanced, it is increasingly more difficult to determine if a video is real or AI. This also means that virtual cameras and AI-generated video are increasingly easy to use and accessible to almost anyone. Certify is simple. Our goal is to view a user's camera and use many different metrics to verify that a real human is present. Let's discuss how we actually do this. Certify runs entirely in the browser. When a user joins a session, we request standard webcam permissions and display a live feed using native browser APIs. No raw video ever leaves the device. All analyses happen client-side. On the client side, Certify collects lightweight presence signals, like camera metadata, virtual camera detection, frame timing stability, motion consistency, and natural movement patterns. These signals help us assess whether the session behaves like a real human using a physical camera. If something looks suspicious, like unstable frame timing or a virtual camera signature, Certify flags it immediately. Every signal is visible and explainable. Now, these signals roll into a transparent trust score, a statistic we calculate that determines how likely it is that the camera feed is real versus AI, which we'll show you in just 1 second. We integrated IBM Cloud for optional services like analytics dashboards, secure logging, and hosting scalable web components. For example, IBM Cloud can, number 1, host Certify's front end in a globally accessible low latency environment. Number 2, we can store anonymized trust scores for session analytics without compromising user privacy. Or number 3, provide AI and data services for optional enhancement, such as pattern analysis or anomaly detection, using IBM watsonx AI. Overall, Certify shows how you can detect synthetic presence without sacrificing privacy or transparency. No identity storage, no surveillance, just a responsible, explainable trust layer for modern web systems. Now, right before I wrap up this video, I will give you a quick demo. So as I've been talking this whole time, you have been seeing a trust score over here. Right now I'm at 76. That's going to change as I go on due to how I'm moving, how I'm standing, if I'm not moving, if I am moving, how I'm talking. It's all going to change. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and it shows a bunch of different statistics here. One I want you to focus on is the RPPG heartbeat, just because that is one of the most important ones. You can see my heart rate. It is a little bit finicky, but that's all right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this live here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch my camera to an OBS virtual camera. And as you can see, when I reload here, this OBS virtual camera is actually playing an AI video on my second monitor here. And as you can see, the trust score is actually 0. It just flashed to 4, it went back. And there are a bunch of different flags here that we focus on. One of the ones I really want you to focus on, though, again, is the RPPG heartbeat, because as you can see, they're not detecting a heartbeat from this AI video. And the one last thing I'd like to show you is that this evaluate trust score button right here, if you go on high, and it flags a bunch of different detected issues. Thank you for listening.